10,000 checks. 10,000 checks.
November 971 Mike Charlie, contact approach on 135.65. Good day.
3565, 971 Mike Charlie, bye-bye.
672 737.
Smoking bells.
5745. Coming on.
United 2228, maintain 18
Set
knots
right,
to Samuel,
set
contact
left.
power
APU and
120.5. Good night.
leads.
180 Samuel,
Electrical beach. APU confirmed, confirmed. Speed checks, reload 285. One, two, three.
Approach low, Challenger 971 Mike Charlie 9000, descending via the Diamond 5, and we're going to join the lateral course at RG for the visual to it right.
Challenger 971 Mike Charlie, north approach, advise when you have one of the bridges or San Francisco Airport.
1 Mike Charlie, we have the airport in sight.
November 1 Mike Charlie, cleared quiet bridge, visual runway 28 right approach, reduce speed to 210.
Cleared visual sound 28 right, and reduce speed 210, 971 Mike Charlie.
November 1 Mike Charlie, I just need you to verify you're cleared for the quiet bridge, visual runway 28 right approach.
Cleared for the quiet visual 28 right approach, 971 Mike Charlie.
Cleared for the approach that we briefed.
knots to Samuel, contact service to power 120.5.
180 to Samuel, switching to tower 1940, good day.
Beautiful.
Approach 5745 has field sight.
APU is on.
Cleared FMS bridge, visual runway
We'll
28
give
right
the
approach.
blades another
Cleared the FMS bridge, visual
200
right,
minutes.
guys, 5745.
Hydraulics are good. Avionics are set, pink. I'm with green, just for backup. And I'll tell you when we're done with the 10.
Okay.
Two 210. Zero 3000.
3000. Roger.
Switch the bleeds.
Sure.
Approach United 2047, 8.8 descending via the Diamond with Papa.
United 2047, north approach, advise when you have one of the bridges or San Francisco Airport in sight.
In sight, United 2047.
United 2047, cleared FMS bridge, visual runway 28 right approach.
Cleared FMS bridge visual 28 right approach, United 2045.
Central aircraft line in San Francisco, just get back to current wind 30019 or visibility 10, sky condition Q positive 20,000. The altimeter is 2990, try to visual approaches and use 28 left and right, landing 28 to department 1.
2990.
Cover 6745, names to 180 knots or greater to Samuel, contact service to power 120.5. Good night.
180 or greater Samuel, going to tower, sky 5745.
November 1 Mike Charlie, reduce speed to 180.
180, 971 Mike Charlie. 180.
180. 180.
United 2047, maintain 210 knots or less.
210 or less on the speed, United 2047.
210 or less on the speed, United 2047.
180. 180.
210 or less on the speed, United 2047. 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 210 or less on the speed, United
clear.
Okay, flaps 10.
Speed checks below 210. Flap select 10. Flaps indicated 10.
Roger.
I am not surprised.
Approach United 2019, 8,000.
Then 2019 NorCal approach, roger. After Eddie, just to maintain 4,000.
Gear down, please.
After Eddie, descend
Gear down,
maintain
speed checks
4,000,
below
United
250.
2019.
Yes.
Gear selected down. Gear is down, 3 greens.
Sure.
November 1 Mike Charlie, reduce speed to 160, Alcon service good tower 120.5. Good night.
160 on the speed and 1205, 971 Mike Charlie, bye-bye.
United 2047 traffic.
160.
Scout 5653, runway 1 right. Clear for takeoff.
1 right, clear for takeoff, Scout 5653.
United
That's 20.
1840,
That's 20,
cross runway
speed
2 left,
checks.
contact ground.
Below 210.
Alright, class 28 right, going to ground, United 1840. 28 left.
Good Towers, Challenger 971 Mike Charlie, visual 28 right, signature.
November 971 Mike Charlie, runway 28 right, quarter line 27021.
28 right, clear to land, 971 Mike Charlie.
Clear to land.
Okay.
Flaps are indicated.
Scout 5584, runway 1 left, line up point.
One last line up and white, Sky was 5584.
Scout 5653, contact NorCal.
Autopilot disconnect.
Roger.
San Francisco Tower, Cessna 173 Delta Charlie, 2000.
Cessna 173 Delta Charlie, San Francisco Tower, the altimeter 2990, clear to the Bravo.
2990, clear to the Bravo, Cessna 173 Delta Charlie.
Scout 5653, contact NorCal.
Okay. Speed bug 113, flaps 30.
113. Speed checks 175. Flap selected 30.
Missed approach out to 3000.
Setting it up. Flaps indicate 30.
Thank you. Before landing checklist.
Before landing checklist. The gear is down, 3 greens, confirm.
Confirmed.
Flaps are 30.
Confirmed.
Landing clearance is clear to land and exterior lights are all on. Front checks complete.
Tower United 2047, FMS Bridge Visual 28 right.
United 2047, runway 28 right, clear to land.
Code to land 28 right, United 2047.
Scout 5584, wind 290 at 17, runway 1 left, clear for takeoff.
One left, clear for takeoff, guys, 5584.
American 2121, runway 1 right, let up and wait.
Traffic inside departing 1 left.
Roger.
Scout 5745, cross 2 left, contact ground.
Cross 28 left, contact ground, SkyWest 5745.
Traffic is airborne.
Yep. A little bit fast.
Tower United 2019, visual 28 left, slow to 180.
Scout 5584, contact NorCal.
NorCal Skies 5584, see it.
American 2121, runway 1 right, let up and wait.
American 2121, runway 1 right, line up and away.
40, 30,
United 2019, runway 28 left, clear to land.
Clear land 28 left, United 2019.
thrusters out, thruster versus to deployed. 80 knots.
Any thruster vessels in.
We'll switch its
1 Mike Charlie,
Good
roll
switch.
down to Echo, turn right there, contact ground on 121.8.
All the way to Echo and contact ground 128, 9 Mike Charlie.
Okay, your control 60 knots.
my control 60 knots. My controls.
Yes.
Roll down
And
to Echo and then 118. You have it.
yeah,
on
14 off the runway.
Yep.
American 2121, runway 1 right, clear for takeoff.
American 2121, runway 1 right, cleared for takeoff.
Okay, Echo's the next one to the right.
Roger.
Count 2.
Surgeon 20.
2228, you're waiting for a company Airbus eastbound on Alpha, then continue via Quebec 1 Alpha to the ramp.
Okay, Airbus Quebec 1 Alpha to the ramp, United 2028.
November 971, Mike Charlie, San Francisco ground taxi via Charlie ramp.
Charlie to the ramp. 1 Mike Charlie.
Left is clear.
Right is clear. Left on Charlie after landing.
13 with Quebec radio taxi.
Skywest 5663, runway 1 left, taxi via Alpha, Foxtrot 1 Bravo.
1 left, Alpha, Foxtrot 1 Bravo, Skywest 5663.
After landing checklist, probes are off, wing anti-ice is off, flaps coming up, and exterior lights as required.
Ground 680,
After landing checklist complete.
And Skywest 5663, just confirm for me you're squawking 4576.
Hey, firm, we have 4576, Skywest 5663.
Roger. Hi, Delta 680, runway 1 right. You're waiting for a United Airbus on Alpha, taxi via Alpha, Alpha 1.
1 right via Alpha, Alpha 1 after the United Airbus from our left, Delta 680. Ground Alaska 1099, Quebec to taxi.
Alaska 1099, runway 1 right, taxi via Alpha, Alpha 1.
Alpha, Alpha 1 right, Alaska 1099.
And Delta 680, amend your instructions. You're waiting for the Embraer off your left and runway 1 right, taxi via Alpha, Alpha 1.
Embraer off our left, Alpha, Alpha 1 to runway 1 right, Delta 680.
Taxi lights off.
Leave it for now, leave it. I usually leave it until we really face him.
Okay.
Taxiway, taxi that off.
Taxiway. Taxi light off.
I don't know why I said taxi.
Ground United 2019, parking F15.
United 2019, San Francisco ground. I'm showing you going to Foxtrot 15, taxi via Bravo, Quebec 1 Alpha to the ramp.
Bravo, Quebec 1 Alpha, United 2019.
How's your steering? Nice.
San Francisco ground United
Just look.
2047, clearing on
Right.
Tango Golden Gate
Also,
17, Fox 17.
United 2047,
Okay.
San Francisco ground, taxi via Bravo, Quebec 1 Alpha to the ramp.